A hernia occurs when an organ pushes through a hole in the muscle or tissue that holds it in place. For example, intestines can break through a weak area in the abdominal wall. Hernias often occur in the abdomen between your chest and hips, but they can also occur in the upper thigh and groin area. In most cases, a hernia looks like a bulge or swelling in the affected area. For example, a hernia in the groin area may appear as a small lump that can be felt or seen when you stand up or cough. An umbilical hernia around the navel may cause a bulge to appear when you strain or cough. If the prolapsed intestine is gently pushed back into place, it is tied tightly to hold it in place. If this method is not effective, surgery is required. It is important for a hernia patient to avoid constipation, or else he or she will need to strain while passing stools. Indigestion is also harmful for a hernia patient. If the stomach is very enlarged, then efforts should be made to reduce it. Hernia is cured by drinking a cup of milk mixed with castor oil. Use it for a month. Drinking tomato juice mixed with a little salt and black pepper in the morning has many other benefits and also helps in curing hernia. Use of coffee also cures the abscess of enlarged intestine. By adopting these simple remedies mentioned here, you can avoid hernia operation.